breaking news.
I'm Alex Taylor and you're watching Roemer News. Good evening. Just a few days after the high-profile individual Felix Roemer, the man of many skill issues, was unexpectedly named in the Epstein files, footage of what appears to be Gamdom extraterrestrial aircrafts over a Miami shopping centre, which caused a massive scene, has gone viral. Let's take a look. Now experts claim that this was an attempt at steering away conversation from the real issue, as the timing of these two events was way too coincidental. Unfortunately for Mr. Roemer, it didn't seem to work.